Alright, when you see that a graph has moved like left and right, you know that it's shifted only in the x-axis. You don't want to touch y like at all. You just want to touch the x-axis. So with this one, it's shifted 1 to the right. You write that like this. Y equals x minus 1 squared. Now, even though it's moved 1 to the right, so it's plus 1. You would think that, right? Not minus 1. But it's actually not, because when x is shifted by 1, you move it to the other side and it becomes x minus 1. Now, with like smaller graphs, this is easier, but you can apply this to like bigger concepts as well, like 5x squared plus 6x. If this one was shifted to the right by 1, you would just replace all the x's with x minus 1 as well. So alright, so this is a shift in the vertical axis. It's going 1 down. When it's going 1 down, you also replace y with the opposite, which is plus 1 equals x squared. But we're used to just moving it to the other side, because it's like a lot easier and you don't have, like, it's not the opposite way around. You know that since it's going in -1 down, you just put it to the other side and it's easy. But this step is actually pretty important when you go to bigger numbers, like 5y squared plus 5y. You would also, when it shifts down, you would also replace all the y's with the opposite thing as well. So it would be 5y plus 1 squared plus 5y plus 1. So you would also be able to replace everything with y as well, which is why this is a pretty useful step to know in the future.